Kumasi adum adaje ne puso eje demu no echenkure enam saya so mamampani John Mahama wako na wakasa ho.
IGP Edia Futio akwama omayi omo a one bo ban agiban se wo munye bribi.
Ene ban kura na mu ena efisenswo afo wafre yewura IGP se adamo wono mo amanhyehye bi entodwa.
Adehye bi a wono mo eton enyema ewo eye wono mo omo ebunu amantamu wamu ese eto no esoso toto.
Ankafo prisons yewura Ibrahim Mahama akwakoye wo momwa ehonsam ye de ba.
Rainway penny fonso kasa kire mu se yentua wono mo ka enti adwuma ni jija.
We ni nuanom ne yaboa no se no nsia bre mu kase yebo na etwa ne ho se bosompo bo asoroche a wenua enam sompa kumase 93.1 enam sompa sunwane sompa takrade sompa takwa sompa tachimai sompa nkransa sada na Facebook ho nso yaje ba bia fa eno ane se wo follow yen na waka ye ho hye ne nso se anwumre ye de brewte sa aposen yas toothpaste kase yebo ena yaboa no de ba anuanom mienu a yaje nwa na ye de nsem no ba ye japia apam dada anwumre meni oba pa
abena bedu adepa kofi
afe yenye bre na ensem no ni brodo ntwo nyina da yentim emfama adasa sade nonum empai mu ba yedi kan ebo so de kirewo nempo anopa na hya ase se edum ehode nkaye ka na ewo se bibia timi dum na so ejada so a edam ni nyina no eye edwa a ehye na atretre akohyehe amanfo agapade enam saye so ema mampani John Dramani Mahama sremu sejata sabre krona na wosantimantamu wakopie mu wonkawe wotiye na wantana ne toso ene obepie ho na wokoye no wone domo a wo ho aka edi nkomo wahye wono mobo
anopai me ba asantimemu ye beye dwumadie bi ewo nkawe a ye Tree for Life initiative na mebesi ye no na regional minister eka atorenchen bia esi ewo edum ha nti sesi a na ewie sa dwumadie no na mese mentu anamon embehwe na esi na ampanso eyarehho efise wo hwe enyoma asai ene enkrofo stores a ahye na eyade a eyo hawiye enti nedikan meda fire service for ase ene modern bo amoye ya omwetimi abre ejano ano ase yewie ano a na yahwe na ema ni si enso ade baako a fire for aka kire me ne se ombedru ye no sen na ombetimi awuremu etimi akodum jano eno ya ade baako a eha omuyie na ohwe a yedwam bebre saa nete enti eja tomu a sen na fire for betimi edru ho etimi edum jano ntem no na abeye ohaw ama omo enti o se yefde di wesu anyansa na yehwe yedwa no da ye planning ni yie sen na beya bibi kosi a na etimi aso ano ntem enti yani minister ne edwadifo no ebeka ya ka kire nadmo se ombehwe na omumpe emwabi emfa mo omo kakra yani chief of staff nso bekasa enti nya Asante regional minister ene ombeka no na yahwe emwa ebetimi de abo omo se na beya omo so ombedina comfort kakra
eno mampani John Dramani Mahama bra wokokopiem ewadum ya wono mu a wajapade ahye ena wokasa de kire wo mu yi
Asana wakwa mu awadum akwakosra adehia wanu mahre wo mu ne emayi na dwumadie bi ekoso ewo asantemantamu enkawe wanu matu ne din se Tree for Life na ebra mpanifo ani ntini atwotwo wura pepiankoma wanu mkoye a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama srem se jata Mr. Babio eka ho ebi na ne kasaye mu no ena wadi tu dwa woche mu se na ban yi so de onso so sebi efomagudi a yetu no kwan bone eso entini se uyopani na udi ebidibre bi ewo na ban mu na de wo se garam sei ena obaye a obehwa woto akonwa na no di sam eni
emerging crime in mining areas. Illegal mining poses a significant security risk, particularly in our forest reserves and mining communities. In regions like the Western North and many others, armed criminals have carried out brutal attacks on innocent people.
We are accompanied by strict environmental law enforcement. And this is why under my administration, we will sustain the fight against illegal mining or galamsey. I've directed that no government appointee at any level should engage in any form of legal or illegal mining. If you want to be a miner, leave government and go and be a miner. You can't be in government and be a miner at the same time. And I would rate that any government appointee found violating this directive will face swift and severe sanctions, including possible removal from office. Furthermore, I've instructed regulatory and security agencies to intensify their operations against illegal mining. The Tree for Life Reforestation Initiative is not just about trees, it is about hope, it is about resilience, it is about a sustainable future. It is about securing clean air and water for our children and ensuring that Ghana remains green and vibrant for future generations. Let us rise to the challenge. Let us plant trees, let us protect our environment, and let us hold each other accountable. Let us work together to make Ghana a sustainable development and environmental conservation leader.
And what you know, and Australia wano Ashayan Sasse na fe or body bobre hon samso. Ononya for Emmanuel Amako Fibua Esokasa ye Echemu dientia wanom Edisa Jumedie Eshe so any Fasua Ghana Benya.
Initiative couldn't have been launched at a better time. It is being launched at a time when there's an urgent need to address ecological challenges such as illegal mining, deforestation, and climate change. This initiative envisions transforming heavily degraded areas into functional, vibrant ecosystems that support biodiversity and human
of our ecosystem. Your Excellency, ladies.
That one, raising environmental awareness about the importance of tree planting and conservation. 2, enhancing biodiversity through ecosystem restoration. 3, combating climate change and mitigating its adverse impacts. 4, restoring polluted water bodies to their natural state through the Blue Water Initiative and promoting sustainable livelihoods by creating green jobs in agroforestry, ecotourism, fish farming, and apiculture. 5, enhancing urban greening by planting trees in cities. And 6, instilling our children and youth the value of tree planting, nurturing, and environmental stewardship. To achieve these objectives, the initiative is structured around 2 key components. The first is education, awareness creation, and sensitization campaign. And the plan is that we embark on a massive education through community debates, radio and television programs, events, and partnership with traditional.
Openia wakasa ye eyo swenia wano ana washayan sase na fe obade bobre ho ensem so Emmanuel Amako Fibua dwumadia wanom edehehye so wasantimantem krom enkawe a wo musi Tree for Life ye duanua ama Ghana babia aye green
na eno hono na aswasemra sebedwani wono uwura emrase bedwafia donkese no waka ho yewura Muntaka Mubarak wono anso na ye afise nso afo ena pani ba befre yewura tete yehonu IGP se wono na ka bi a ebam won de afra wo frɛ ne nyina ne se wonomomwa na enhyehyɛ papa wo mode agu apono so no entimi nya adwuma titru ne yema mpani John Dramani Mahama na Affirmative Action Bill na ni abere se betimi aye adwuma no na wo ka sansemi ne yensa ntwerofo nso wo ho wo motase bi.
The Inspector General of Police, the members of the Police Management Board, distinguished regional commanders of the Ghana Police Service, esteemed members of the security community, ladies and gentlemen, when the IGP was introducing the members of the police board, and then looking around the regional commanders, I got worried. How can His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the affirmative action be achieved when I see only one lady among the police management board? And then I see no lady among the regional commanders. I know your institution is a command and control one, and you cannot just pick anybody to be anywhere. But I think, Mr. IGP, as part of your strategy, let's do well to encourage women to come up so that they will be able to occupy some of these sensitive positions. I think that will do our country a lot of good.
Ewie no asawase MP amananso ho ɛna wɔto aso sɛ saa 24-hour economy no ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔn mo ba begyaagya ne sɛ twobi system mu na mmom wɔn mo de nhyehyɛ papapa egu ho ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn mo ahyɛ da bia kwampono ɛne bambo dwumadie kɛse ɛbɛdom aboa ama sɛ saa 24-hour economy ne yɛ adwuma obi bia wɔn nsa homa no ho no obenya bambo papa ɛno nso wɔda ase yɛ di.
The ministry
armed criminals have carried out brutal attacks on innocent people, including
every business and every visitor can carry out their activities in an environment of peace, safety, and security. The security of this nation is our collective responsibility, and it is through partnership, innovation, and inclusiveness that we will continue to safeguard the progress we have made. It is in line with this that our commitment to drive economic progress and ensuring that our nation remains competitive in the global economy. The ministry is pleased to announce the establishment of dedicated secretariat for the 24-hour economy policing system. This initiative is crucial as we recognize the need to bolster security to keep pace with the growing demand of modern and thriving economy. The aim of this secretariat is to implement robust and sustainable policing model that ensures security is guaranteed around the clock, whether it is in our bustling cities or in our rural areas. Economic activities do not cease, neither can our vigilance. We are laying the grounds for a system that is dynamic and responsive to the unique challenges posed by the 24-hour economy. As we embrace this new approach, the safety of businesses, workers, citizens will be prioritized, ensuring that every hour of the day is protected.
Eno yewura Muntaka Mubarakia aswasem ra sebedwani wo mai Ghana mu eba afisem a won na hweso ne ne yati.
Na Inspector General of Police Metre IGP COP Christian Tete Yehunu ena wade atudwa wo kire ememma mutiti bi ni metre asojafo a wono eda wonano ene afei aposifo nyina ese sadia galamse kono eya kono no empanisi integrate mienu kabomu a ne bopiminti wanom ka wa muhumbomu a na kwan biada wanom ebefa so na efom agudi a yetunu kwan bone so no wo matu ase e wo micro Ghana mu wanom enye wade sanse nyina etudwa e wa bra regional commanders fo wanom nyina ehia ya na onom eye wo mu hyiemu.
Emerging crime in mining areas. Illegal mining poses a significant security risk, particularly in our forest reserves and mining communities. In regions like the Western North and many others, armed criminals have carried out brutal attacks on innocent people, including forest guards, without justification. This lawlessness must not be allowed to continue. We are declaring war on crimes related to illegal mining, and I expect every regional commander to take decisive action to bring perpetrators to justice.
Ne krokro mu no wakwasua adinaru di sem tujwa wochem sadie ekoso ewo manyete fido bokono entwe ye kra tempestuously no empanifo hye enya ho bibi.
The Bawku conflict and national security implications. Another pressing issue is the prolonged conflict in Bawku, which has profound national security implications. As law enforcement officers, we must restore lasting peace in the area. Many of you have extensive experience in conflict resolution and international peacekeeping. We must apply this expertise to unite feuding factions and end this long-standing dispute. It is unacceptable for this issue to persist for years without a concrete resolution.
IGP COP Christian Tete Yehonu anudisem eni.
Sompa FM.
Empenese se pani dware wi a na nka nsu asa saa na ekuro nsu wu adwo ahwete ene se mampani kokasae e wo adum bra na gya ye hye nyina echi no wokasa firi ho adwadifo no se jana eso ye no ne se de esi baaye no wo mfa so bo mo bia o odunja adwumakuo wo mo ana wo de so bo no bebo won bra wo mbe hye ase anka wo bedunja no na afi na aso store be ese nan ni nnum mu nanso wo mo ani ndie mu no anka anya hwe ba bia gya no ntoye na ese wo mudi kan hye ase edum ne firi enso wo mko hye ase firi gya na chi afi wɔn pɔmpe a kaskala na wɔn nsuo nasa na wɔn sa akɔsa foforo o eni gyina na ɛno nso asa wɔn ni ba wɔn ho so no na bibia hye dwerɛbɛ adwadifo no wɔn de wɔn akosɛm atu dwa
yusu so baako na kaas mienu na aka ana mka chanza masa said yes to so no esi saso sa ndio mo ya moa mo kwa central market wo excavator na wo no na mo nyi source 5 na ahye no sesi na nyanka no no muru ho mu na mo nya kwa wura mo fire water no mo fa nsuo no mu so obi je ha bi so ne fam sa no obi je ko bu ye sa de na na obi bu wa no bu mu a nka jana na masa sa me source 5 pe na ahye service for no na no man yo ma dwuma yie wa bra excavator si central market one anya hwe na bu bu source 5 lu bu mu a na ka bu ru mu na ka bu ya ya ka amasa na yesa ni nyina hye photo mi yesa ni nyina hye ese mi ya dai ka pra mi ni bi pa na ko fa no ma bi o ba bro what say me ya dai e wa de hu mabo ne se de edine hey I'm far back when Sky part another mirror. Me had a 100 family. You're right, a baby in your money. Say, I'm nice. To say, a baby, I can know. It's a blind papa. I will sign a cheap. Wash it. Tom Papa, how much in a from Omoba, in Kuka Crab, Omdiguma, not Asa, I was an in and so no more buy be okay more the bar omda crab guma na asa no ma say to car omba ka crab omudum ka crab ya na asa uko ka say no mubu
opani a wakasa ye said ya nanu di samu a wadi atu dwa no wato ne bo acheche mu fran enti no said ya bekoso e wo boko no wose bibia enkodini
ene yento aso na yenko ensem fofrom na eno no mede okọ ankafo naduafie eho na oman Ghana mu wono ma won sika bo nsepere kese bi baako ene yewura Ibrahim Mahama ya ne nua ne mpompa ne mampani a wote aguaso pani wogusu asabre akiriwia wo yopa na wose akiriwia no mu no die wo mu pa ne se ubetimi aya adoye emfa ho ne akonche na abeyo se wadoye enyina yi a ne wayo ato agu enenti wakwa ankafo naduafie ekokoye wo mo nso adom ede enuane ne niema ahodo ebema won ho ahenhan wo mo sempo zontori na wo mu dia wotimi ahwenkwampa kakra na enum no NDC zona zongo caucus coordinator wono enedi wo mo animu a wo mo ekoye na ekwawie na wo da ase echese no kwasem ne epani na ye no nyame ankasa kura ahira ne deda yewra Abdullahi Amo ena wo bo pani yabaso ne ayeye dia woko ekoyoe edema ankafo prisafo eno wo manya kura no emo be se bag no wo hadu num de wono mo nsa kan eno achi nso kura eba asichire tomakese ene makrel eno nso nyina wono mo nya bi edeka ho na ewieye no woko na nye ono nko a enenam saabere no na Central Regional Commander ya wono ene da prisaso no wono nso wo hobi na ejamo ya na wodi wo manim no wo ye kremoni woda asese
ye papa Ibrahim Mahama oye president Mahama nunua all select regions in Central region ya mencha the second year because all regions in the prison service will request order especially in the month of Ramadan unko kuna workshop wo bre wo betim kwa wodi bi beka wanu oye ti sabi nso agonu oye demo nti president Mahama nunua Ibrahim Mahama umu ase no ayewo in the month of Ramadan aduma yankopon da yen yesu oye de madum bibisa manfo all the bibi ban month na mo ye dem pode ehwe nyama wode be ya so yi keke yema ni bi ne rice 150 bucks woman oil 60 tomatoes 30 boxes ena mackerel nusu 30 the regional commander kudu nyaji Today, why the Madus Moy Federal sending the Yimbi, who interior minister friend more than 5 times. We said the Yaman what they ban Antonio ready. No one who is on a few way got in Yaji. Into me, I catch interior minister. I honorable Musa come back there. Yanko channel. There, but a fan of the water channel. 15 months, Uncle for business. 1 second word.
We na ena penia wononso ene da eprisanfo na no ewo empotem ho titiru ne mfimfini mantemu yewura Alfred Kujo wononso kire nani so se enaduafo a wo mo hwe won sui no obi kura ye de ne ba beto wo mfinhia be de wo ho na busua kura mesra ne da enti de papa na yo no wa ya de papa apa
about best supplements or ration. We were ration already now. We na what's the 80% a day for business, adult business. See, yes, we knew that by no baby one. The moon was over boa. Today is our wedding Ramadan. Over boa pi. And then also we make we magic Accra. For the age man no the type of courts. If you are it's visiting here for hospital. See, the shine the here for an evening. All the workshops na schools obeboa between there at someone please to know we see you no you won bibia ti aka onkodo na ayes ti ya improvise ya create drawing shop na maybe to the non formal education this mobile are able to na boa I think say some just really engage on sports the device but the actual obeboa for the real information this year has a total lock up 1370 see yeah BBR oh yeah no yi na en kasi preko
Yeura Alfred Kujo wono na akomfimfini mantemu a apirisafo e wa ankafo no woda wono mano ne atiye Yeura rekanan wono na to nsemi e ma ne yen
wo ensam foforo mu no Owura Douglas tre eye obi a eba no se abrofo ne ma wanom de bepie mu e wo man konkron Ghana mu ha sei e bia nyina ya tasibie na ne ubedu eye kwanchan baabi na obroni wawu egu ho na ne se ache ya hwesuwa ani Owura yi upie mu e wo Brekum East ya watonton sa ne mai achere yie pa be se emfinhia edu ene akire na sese ni de osi bibia men no de amen ni nyina ene se eto no esoso dodo wo kire mu se ekankan wo bekọ porto ana se obekọ habo ese okọ akoyi niema na obekọ pa ne be check eto a eda niema kakra wo yi so a wo se etemene enti sese ni de mpanisi wan kasa chiri hu a yeyi wo boni nti wo kasa kire mu se egu nnuma upie mu e wo Brekum East dia obi eto ne sutomu adaya woseto ne doso dodo eto no ebi ohwa no ye nkuma kakra ebetumi aboa na ko ye bete sa na wasa ya na ehunahuna wonom na no disem
Nyama na ekofa ne de enye yakoma mu de senka ye bia ye beba na ye beton nyama na ma amamfo aboden isanse wo hwe area ha ya nyama ya bua ebre nso nipa na bobisa bo na okọ ni nyina eye inflation na ama nyama ne bo ne kosoro e ha ba ku bi o ha me mente ase bebre ebi ni se nyama ne ba me koport ho a me ye duty tua income tax ne sen tua VAT but me de ba be du Brekum ha ya so ya nso so a GRA fo nso so se me sen tua tax for fry no ya na e kira adwen bebre aye twama me wanyi a the same revenue na omoje me wo no receipt kwan so e GRA tax corona bia anu nso matua ne porto e sanje me hofra wa eduru wa bia na e kire adwen eno ye how ba ko aye fam bio nso so ye porto ho na nkasa no how bi wo the sense say store fridges a e bai dem fast store fridge motors emma ye the home use motors ba obi beto store fridge na se motor ni kose ya e home use fridge motors na ye da ba no bi na oba beto de be kwa repair enso omoma ye ti asese na ji commission for say fridge dada na ye de ba na pre-current ntin ye de duru port wa na omo age na omo asan boye ka
ne krokrabu no ototo sre abai se de sesei ene mekọ no enkankan fango ne bo ayedini yie eto adaso osi wonyi afei wan mu a womotonton ka ho pempena de eto adaso wonyi afei wan mu a moton mo eto adaso wonyi bibibia da eboa ema nipa eho henha no ewo asetene mu no eto bia da adaso no Owura Douglas se away
oh ye juma di area nka sisi ane de nka ya sesa aban yi kura no nka ebesire bi se nka ye import duties na nkasa nka aban ne moe cause e wo soro nkasa lorry fence so san wo soro because of fuels no prices na economy no e kasa ne ma nyina boma mi free takura de anatema mra medu Brekum na ka e da chire no nua na eso besin etua jari tax se de ameken ngika mum na wona e da ne ma no na nkasa na eso enti e ba sa wi ade ba koto a bona bebo nipa ba osene boede den nso so de ba low price nso aso be boka tika ba mo ya na nka tax nso no nka yeden emra fam kakra na nka fuel prices nso emra fam se de be ya nka lorry fare nso mbeti so am kakra ade da ho a haye bebre esenye ko mu awi anu enye yi onse bi na medi kankan se duty no yakoya custom ayifo ewo port wa ya ye duty atua bibia ya ma paper nso di pia ushia custom barrier omonso so weska from bajo ushia operation team management so omonso weska ombajo ba bi kura yetimejo 6000 ayetiska 60 million ba bi yetimejo 30 million tin nyina ya how bi ni challenges bi a ye face ni wo adwuma ye hu.
Owura Douglas tre eyo bi a otonto home use mekire niam abrofo use wi a wamode abrayense yentoa so ewo Brekum East en wakasa no eto no wasi gunyuma nti wo monye bibi mfa
ene waboto so edie se tie bia esikato asem no wokan mede wura Ghana eba yesika kra bia ba tan a pani a na woda no kane yewura adesen na no wote se wono mu a ewo yempotemu ha no wohwe bambo so national security wombo wura ni fie womo a wokọ yewura kenofurata ho no enum no wono bokoye eja de la kra ka se womo koye safe ne ya bie so enom ne ho ade enura no ne omane wade atwetwe pa na emuna yewura Johnson asia manso mpanimfo aboso se boso me de toso adunu miensa womra na fe womeyi nsem bia no emekire enema poten nam so ema sa Bank of Ghana de ekọ so ho nyina ene ka wo honom ne ade wombo so enkire badwafie no na nsan wo beba na panimpa be de akire a uwura badwafie ho adom kese no woda wo ma no yewura George Ricket Hagan wo mo so kura di kan abobo nsem bi so e wo badwafie ho ekire se Bank of Ghana de nam so ma wo mo boka ye nti national security for ekobewura yewura adesemfie na eno no sa samana ya sama ne se won mekasa ne won kirekire nsem no yewura Ricket Hagan ekire mi
26th of March 2025 will be a committee of the whole. Governor of the Bank of Ghana will come to brief the House on the circumstances leading to the collapse of the bank, of some banks, some financial institutions from 2013-2024. Mr. Speaker, to go back on a Tuesday, Mr. Speaker, the committee has also scheduled the Minister of Interior to come to the House and brief us on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, on the circumstances leading to the raid of the residence of the former governor of the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Ernest Addis, on Wednesday, the 19th of March. Mr. Speaker, on the adjournment of the House, Mr. Speaker, as indicated earlier, the House is expected to adjourn Senate on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. In this regard, Business Committee entreats all honorable members to continue to devote themselves to the scheduled business for the last week of the first meeting of the first session to enable the House to adjourn as proposed. The Business Committee takes this opportunity to sincerely commend your good self, your deputy, and all honorable members' self-sacrifice.
Ewie ya ena yewura mama yarega wono ene woye jamfitani edema dom kese na donkuma ewo efie ho no na wono mo kyerese dom kese ewo fie no wo kyerese sa papa na ye sama ne se wo mra me kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no kura woni Ghana wo wono nso kura wo sanka wo mo kyerɛkyerɛ mu no so afọ wo hwe afisɛm so obo so wo ho bie na wo bɛte nsɛm ni nyinaa ene nti won de eka se wo mo a ekɔ yewura de simfie na wo mo kokɔ hwe ne dan mu ko hu se sefu bi kura ya bie so nom na ehu ade na bibie ni mu no wo mo de mmra na ye adwuma
to brief the House. So the Minister is unavailable on Tuesday to come and brief the House. And also that we cannot be bringing ministers to come and brief the House. The rules are clear. You want to ask the minister a question, you ask him a question, and he comes to answer. But to say you're bringing a minister to come and brief the House, under which standing orders are you bringing a minister to come and brief the House? The rules are clear on what is to be done, which is you ask the minister a question, he comes. If it's a statement the minister has to make, he comes and makes the statement. And also to correct the records, the committee clerk uses the word leading to the raid. Raid is not an appropriate expression of what happened. I think that law enforcement officers lawfully went there to conduct a search, and it is perfectly lawful. And so to use the word raid is clearly wrong. So I want that deleted from the records, that this House describes what happened as raid. You haven't even looked into it. You don't know the facts. You haven't been properly briefed, and you're already describing it as rape. So the clerk should be careful what expressions are used. So that should be deleted from the record, and also to indicate that the briefing is not possible on Tuesday.
Yewura Mama Yarega, and I tell say na wakasa no watch say Yewura one cost one when Juma, Moon Tietia, the amount for can one more na fe woman na fe one more. Edi wa mani sikano ontime enom enyeje ni nyina emfamra na aja habibu nso wo kan bi kan ho.
He said the governor of Bank of Ghana to brief the House on the circumstances leading to the collapse of the banks and other financial institutions from 2013 to 2024. So, Mr. Speaker, I think this part of the business statement is actually completely unnecessary, and I don't think that we will need that, and will be interfering in so many things. Mr. Speaker, also going through the business statement, I realize that we will be sitting on Monday 24th, but what he failed to do is to Deputy Leader
General
decision day. You need to make provisions for that, because it is not everything on that budget document and the financial bills that you are presented that we are going to support. Some of them we are not in support of it, and we are not going to cooperate with you with regards to that. So there must be provisions for decision day. And if you look at Standing Order 6, it is clear there that you should make provisions for business statements. For instance, this your group and sustainability levy. It is something we will not support.
And no, Yewura Habibua, and ensama wo mo kan ya ni nyina no, wono so ka so objection, my lord, eno ne yeti.
Abusia wasugusu awutie sompa waha eni insia echipo enum kasafidie so ewan kran pompone matemu yebutu dome yebutu dome ye Watermelon Street enti no se wote yan kan na chese ensem eno no eye wasem ne masem o my Ghana mu nsem ne yade sum se no sia brem kase no ensem no ye to so ede amaw na dome ha sei no sade etia no na agya ye nyina ye nim se bibia ekwaso na kane no opani ana ono ote akonwa kase so dome kwabenya se emrahye bedwani mechema me Sarah adwoa safo na sen ensem bia wo keka na ne amanfo esemenam na metete wano die wanam no wo kekanti sese ni die MPP mpanimfo atonsa frɛ ne se disciplinary committee wamra no mayi nsema no yano ane sai na amen waso wano mu kire mu se sadia waye pani ewo MPP amanyoku anim na onim mra ete mra sese one more constitution one more de bo ekuano abra no wohwemu article 3/5 no echiremu se wontimi emfa ekuano ho ensem bia enkwatena baabi keke na wonkwadesi ekuano ne nyina one mo chiremu se mami wonim na chire se wayebo apayo ena ensem bia wokọ kaka ni baabi no esheda ekekenti disciplinary committee ena wadam aton safre no na sansemi opani a wupiemu ewo MPP amanyoku ni mu a watwatwo edema wanam eyo nyonyafo Justin Frimpong Kodua JFK wano ena ne santrafo etwetwe nkomo a wode tudwa sedie ma me Sarah adwa safo ne nkomodie no bi ekoye no sompa kase ento asoma
Optimi Budgetary chapter 1 on the report no first page number 1 chapter 1 why my son lost domikwa abenya on kire ye nienti a ne ba ne reye otimi kire ye nienti a seat a ye winning with 30,000 margin ne ba ko gina ano no wakoton seat ne dia ma ND ya report otimi kire ye a ne obeka fa Dr. Baumia hu bia ebeji atum na nte sa na obegina ho na te se no omo ne nam omo bobo pono se ye de besoa Baumia se Baumia inti ne ye re ya ye niam yi anke ye nkra de ama omo de ba no omo meka ne enti adome kwa benya ye re Professor Michael Kwe we de ne man ne ba ne mfiso wo we hu ye mfa adwuma we nhye ne sa papa na mu ye bu no ye respect no we the energy minister we the communication we the ambassador we the speaker ni die ewo wudini no ho inte report na wo de ba no hwese wo de oba ne die no ne no kura ewo mu a wo de lusu ye no betro wo bia watro ba wo me ade aka na committee we ye pa party no ye pe obi ama na konhwehwe mu obi a ne ba re ye ne ba kia de kura eja da ho ne credibility we me sure da make am da bi o wo backyard wan kasa wo fie ho ahye
Domi mrashe bedwani domi kwa benya mrashe bedwani ma Sarah Adua Safo eye disciplinary committee MPP amayoko mu wo mato nsafre no na no disem
ene wo bobo sansemi so wo hye ase se wo ye interview kasafidi ahodo so wo ja TikTok die ya ena wo ba pa get to kwasuga yewura kwasuga wonya ne ba bi ko ne doyere ya wono nso wonya ne ba bi kro ne ma asore se yie mami ati nkuto de atogem adan ya bra na wo mame ene hwe school feeding so no mami bedese wo mo mami aka se won hyehyɛ niam ye ena wo ka ho bi na nkura ne nya nuane ni wo mutimi kane binsi enso no wo mu de gare nko acha se gare to ne yakan binsi aguso de ma nkura se di ba ko ne acha ma school ba ko nom ne ho ade a wo bekeka sansem nyina enti se ne wo no san ba bonten se sono ma no wo mu de awo nani ne wo keka de wo kan ya wo de ntie ne trao wo mu se maame adwo asafo emfa ho ne se wawo mma wo ne abadaye enu achi nye se bia bunku na wo mu ade o ne mom nani nso mo ne dwe wo mu kasa nsem nyina no ene wo mu de ato so se maame mra na wo mepa chew enkyere ganafo nyina ema wo mu hu se wo maame ya wonye ne ba bi kro no na ne ho so nsa abrobe na ba bia ne sama nwo bia no enko na enkodadin
Wa ensam fufromo no openi a waka say managing director engineer Dr. Michael Ejei wano ena upiemo ewo meyi renwe adwumakuo na woye MD a wadano na wakwa kwesra eyo openi a wono wohwe eye renwe adwumakuo no asomekye wano a wodi dwa ewo hono nyina da ene wono akasai na ne nyina ne say One was a woman, ye juma best, Mosome Maku insianie. I ran where Jumaku, one was the entria additional eka. And I'm so Emma where's a dear no church and the trusses yano. Where's a dear nanny and Pabua, while already at two when you boot. As I want quite Jumabium, yen and I'm so my one which them will say. Any purpose are pemini at lady Abusumis yen entria one more eka. And Timpany Fonshe. Now one must see the chair one more I walk ra and it's here too. Na chase tia 2 mechira senete de wa motete nkakra kra de toto hono wa musi mfia mienu nie wa no hu ho hwe na ebra wa ne panifo atwetwe komo no so mpaka se atwe bi gu homa so.
You bear with me that the real sector, anything you do there is capital intensive. We don't have the infrastructure to generate enough revenue to pay ourselves, let alone do maintenance works. As I speak with you, Honorable, I know you may have heard for some time now, exactly 6 months, am I right? The railway worker has not received salary. And Honorable Minister, I am not going to blame this government. What we are seeing now is a cumulative effect. When I say cumulative effect, I know we will understand. It didn't start from this government. But the good news is that there is hope.
Dr. Engineer Michael Ejei, MD, Edema, Omei Runway, Edumekuno, no Ensemni.
Ene ententem ene unim se Black Stars for wo mugina kono. Na ansana yebekọ na afi yakwa akofa wo mo nsem no. Tiger IPI wo mo de krata bi aba beto abonten. Yewura na salimia na asana no. Oko New Jersey Excess Court ho a ebede adwase yewura ya wo no kane no ye asemra hyebedwani. Wokoko siu no na ewie ye san wakwa kodi ntwo ho a ensem bebre asan piepie akire yewura bishop obinim wode nsem bia ba beto dwa akire se anase afre no se womra no media dance entia yewura kana Japan na adoma aboa se to ne yede ne betumu se sika na wom betwa ne damage agede amanu ene papa enso ede na ma wokeka na wokeka na anase de krata aba se papa ne kasa woboa won kan hwe na won de nani aso empire pa Ghana fo abo e de ata na chi ama sese ni hu san e wa burochi mamu ene wo mamu ha nyina Tiger API ye hu sesan wo mani no etimi hwe na ehwe ba bia enti se ye wura Daniel Bishop obinim se wo be kasa ansem ni bi se wo mo se wo mra media dance enti ayura kana Japan a wono anase a wo da Tiger API ya no enye wo mo na aka enti se motete na enenam a ayese Castro nyom menana metete nokrebia ennim enti ma monyi ntum channel so say ene Ghana Blasters for ejina akono a yebekọ na live commentary no yakọ akọfa e de asommo na ni nyina emu no Sompa 93.1 ensemi fa ho kuma sasantemantemu ayiko FM efa ho bi sada ena efa emmea hodo pi Facebook nso ekọ ho anwumre eja apia pamdada ene medin mene wabapa abena bedu adepapo yentwa ye ho tiawa ne yemra
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best yard no massa the machine account. Aya sabia yaria bia wutimi de konemo ma dia baako a woma gidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica and a stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha. Se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran e ba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na e ban so a. Wonsa bonkum so. E ho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Afe yankwa amanone na amanone no medo ko ho nchanom wo mu kurom China fo ene se wo mu ani nkitenkiti wo mu adwene mu abie papaapa na sesei wo mu de nhyehyɛ bi atodwa emfa ho ne se baabifo ɛyɛ akwan baabifo epese afe na wo mu kɔ suku na wo mu kokosua de no China fo de epese wo mu hu akohu nyame ani sesei wo mu da dwumadie bi adia ye fra ne se Chinese Meridian Project enna wo mo ani die akire pa se de beye na wo mbetimi ahwe wiem ahunu nsududu ewo ho wo mbehunu emfuturo dodo ebeba ne se de onyame atemu okura ebetimi aba ene nti sabre wo mapasa adwumadie no ho ntema wo mugusu a ewe ahwese watena ye wo mbetimi ahwehwe ahunu baabia na sempo wo bonefo bi tete baabia wo motimi ahunu no na enu achi nso no se de wo mu wiem tie no wo mo ankwa kase nsuo beto na ebewie na anto woman kase awia bebo na ebewie ammo eno nti wono ma hyehya de firi tetentere de 2012 ton ena wo ma kutakutamu a saa Chinese Meridian Project enti sesei wo ma hwehwemu a walanche dwumadie no na eno se wo wia ho odene wo mbetimi ahwe hu awia dodo a wo mo ahode ebetimi abo afemu ni nyina enti se ukọ wono mo hyehye mu a Shenhuanjin Lewan eho wo ma hyehye niema pa titru ene Southwest China ho mechire Qingyuan province ho sesei de ukọ a sa wo pese ohunu den ohunyame n'anim nwi ne sade wote obi a meditra amfa nkyere China fo ayesa nhyehyɛ no nyina de ato na se ukọ na ahwe se de wo mosi asisisi wanhwe obeka se wo mo TV no na wo mpese wo mbo decoder de hwe nanso de wo hwe petatakram ahunu bibia bekoso wo wiase na wo bonefo bi mpotete baabia wo mo ahunu de ekoso wo emma nyina eno ne de ekoso wo my China mu sabre ebi no mo bo mpesi ehwane mpo no wo mo de wo mo hwehwe akonyame eni eno so ne yegina na anwumre no nsiabre mu kase bo a yensa ntwerofo no wo mo te ho mpentenkwa etase ne sebesepa ne koni mahaban ema yesamufo wo so mu no yade wo esie channel so se ne Black Stars of Ghana ejina akono na ensemi nyina no Facebook ho efa ho Sompa 106.5 ukọ ho a ye wo ho live sada na akọ YouTube nso a wonsa ebeka yen na mom ensempa ye de brɛ wo no ebi ene se wo mo lanche Tree for life won carry ene mampanin kokasa wo ho.
We adwumakuo mpanifo so kiremu se mpanifo de wanum ka won hwenchia.
Sana yewura Anderson ya mpanimfo kɔbɔ piri ne fie sɛ wo mo kɔhwehwɛ ne sefu mu no. Mpanimfo akyɛ sɛ eyamra kwan so a.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kopie mo ewa santimante madum adehia wo mo ne ma hyedrebe no akɔhwɛ won. Edi
amegye so Japia apam dada mene
Abena Bedu Adepa Kofi.
Yemfa na ase Mango Day school fees mo saa na wonu ma ewo social media handles na wonu mu wurawura ho night camp for no wo de anajo so de tesi so a kɔhwɛ bi comment na bereko animo wonsem nyina ye be kan de ama wo saa bere de ye boaboa ye ho ne akɔ agoprama so.